Hello. Hello everybody and welcome back. I hope everybody had a great Mother's Day this weekend. I got spoiled as usual. This whole video is about diamonds. So I wanted to show off a couple of things that I've gotten over the years for Mother's Day. We've got a little diamond necklace here. I bought this one for myself last year. And then I've got some little studs that I got this year. And of course, the ring right there. So for this diamond themed video, I wanted to do a really beautiful, glittery, diamondy looking eye. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to play with the Stila Diamond Dust Glitter Glow eyeshadow. I have loved it. I think I'm on my third one now, so it's definitely one of my favorites. If you need massive glitterness in a liquid eyeshadow form, Stila's the way to go. They have plenty to choose from, lots of colors, and usually you can wait and get them on sale so that they're not quite as expensive, but normally they run, I think, I want to say $24 or $27. But I usually get it on sale, plus I have my $3.50 off coupon that I always download with my Ulta app. So you can get some fun stuff, you just gotta be a little bit mindful when you do it, and you gotta know how to use it. So let's get into this video and I'll show you how to use the Stila Diamond Dust. I've got my eyes prepped with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and today we will be using the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Gani Beauty. I don't know how to say it, but it is beautiful. You've got two highlighting shades here, and then plenty and plenty of mattes with shimmers that go with it, even a dark and a light. So you're good to go with this palette for basically any look that you want to do. And today what I wanted to do was like a purple transition shade that's going to go underneath the diamond dust. And so we are going to go between the shades Independent, Night Owl, and probably a little bit of Obsessed. And now I've got my transition shade on with Obsessed. We're going to move on to the more pigmented purples, which would be Independent and Night Owl. Now the last shade I want to go into is Night Owl, which is not a bright pigmented purple, it's a deep, deep, deep plum purple. Just taking a clean blending brush. And softening up all my edges. Right, next I'm going to go in with the off-white shade Wolf in the palette. It just helps with the blending process to make it even more airbrush looking. All right, everybody, it is time for the fun, which is the Diamond Dust by Stila. This is what she looks like. It's got a big doe foot with lots, with lots of glitter. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, a little bit at a time because it dries super fast. Get some on my brush. And then you just want to keep putting some on the back of your hand, just a little bit at a time because it dries really fast. I don't like plopping it all on my eye with the wand, A, because it's not sanitary, and B, because I like to have a lot of control with where my glitz is going. Try and get a nice close-up look for you guys. It's very glittery, very diamondy. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, and then we'll move on to a little bit of liner, a little bit of mascara. I'm probably gonna put some lashes on today because she's feeling cute. All right, I've got my lashes on, and we're gonna go ahead and beat this face for a real one and make me look super, super beautiful and super, super flawless, because that's what I'm feeling with this diamond look. And then of course, we will do a very dramatic highlight, more than likely. So let's do this. All right, you guys, it is time to do a little bit of blush and a little bit of highlight. And here it is, you guys. The final look of Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. I've got my diamonds in my hair. I've got my diamonds right here. I've got my diamonds here. I've got my diamonds here. I'm wishing everybody a great Mother's Day weekend. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on Friday for a little special effects.